Ever wondered how yoga or Tai Chi could benefit your life? Well, you're not alone. Many people are curious about these ancient practices, but aren't quite sure what they entail or the impact they can have on their lives. Today, we're going to demystify these disciplines and explore their benefits. Yoga, originating from the Indian subcontinent, and Tai Chi from China, have been around for thousands of years. They're not just physical exercises, but holistic practices that integrate the mind, body, and spirit. These disciplines are designed to bring balance and harmony to your life, enhancing your overall well-being. In today's video, we'll dive into the benefits of practicing yoga or Tai Chi. We'll delve into their physical effects, their mental impacts, and the long-term advantages they offer to regular practitioners. We'll discover how these practices can transform your life, offering a fresh perspective on wellness and personal growth. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the extraordinary benefits of practicing yoga or Tai Chi. Let's start with the physical benefits that yoga and Tai Chi can offer. Yoga and Tai Chi, two ancient practices steeped in history and tradition, have been charming fitness enthusiasts worldwide with their incredible physical benefits. One of the most significant benefits is improved flexibility. Regularly bending, stretching, and twisting your body in new ways can help loosen tight muscles, increasing your range of motion. Over time, you'll find yourself reaching further, bending easier, and noticing that your body's fluidity has profoundly increased. But it's not just about flexibility. Yoga and Tai Chi also pack a punch when it comes to building strength. These practices use your body weight as resistance, helping to build lean muscle mass. From holding a plank pose to executing the slow, controlled movements of Tai Chi, you're constantly working against gravity, strengthening your core, your arms, your legs, virtually every part of your body. Now imagine standing on one leg, eyes closed, feeling completely stable. Sounds tricky, right? Well, yoga and Tai Chi can help with that too. Both practices involve a variety of poses and movements that challenge your balance. With time, your ability to maintain stability improves, and so does your coordination. This is because yoga and Tai Chi require a deep connection between the mind and body, forcing you to move with intention and precision. These are not just anecdotal claims. Multiple scientific studies back these benefits. For instance, a study published in the Journal of American Geriatric Society found that Tai Chi could improve balance and motor function in individuals with Parkinson's. Another study in the International Journal of Yoga found that regular yoga practice could enhance muscle strength and body flexibility. So, as you can see, yoga and Tai Chi can significantly improve your physical health. The blend of flexibility, strength, balance, and coordination these practices offer is a testament to their efficacy. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just someone looking to enhance your physical well-being, incorporating yoga and Tai Chi into your routine can be a game changer. Moving on, let's explore the mental benefits of practicing yoga or Tai Chi. These ancient practices are not just about physical fitness. They offer profound mental benefits that can enhance your overall quality of life. Let's delve into some of these. First off, yoga and Tai Chi are renowned for their stress reduction capabilities. When you're twisting into a pretzel or flowing through Tai Chi movements, your mind is focused on the task at hand, not on your to-do list or what's for dinner. This mindfulness helps to quiet the chatter in your mind, thereby reducing stress. A study published in the Journal of Physical Activity and Health found that yoga participants reported lower levels of stress and tension compared to non-practitioners. Next, let's talk about improved focus. Yoga and Tai Chi require concentration and attention to detail. This can translate to improved mental clarity and focus in other areas of your life. A study in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science found that regular Tai Chi practice improved cognitive function, specifically attention and concentration, in elderly participants. Another mental benefit is mood enhancement. Yoga and Tai Chi stimulate the release of endorphins, your body's natural mood elevators. Plus, the meditative aspects of these practices can help you cultivate a more positive outlook. A study in the Indian Journal of Psychiatry found that regular yoga practice led to significant improvements in mood and anxiety levels. Lastly, yoga and Tai Chi can heighten self-awareness. Through these practices, you become more in tune with your body and your emotions. This heightened awareness can lead to improved mental well-being and overall life satisfaction. A study in the Journal of Psychosomatic Research found that mind-body practices like yoga and Tai Chi were associated with greater self-awareness and improved mental health outcomes. Incorporating yoga or Tai Chi into your routine can be a great way to boost your mental health. With these practices, you're not just sculpting a stronger body, but also crafting a more resilient mind. But the benefits of yoga and Tai Chi aren't just immediate, they also offer some impressive long-term benefits. One of the most significant is the reduction of chronic pain. Over time, the gentle, flowing movements of these practices can help alleviate discomfort caused by conditions like arthritis or fibromyalgia. Moreover, the meditative aspects of both yoga and Tai Chi can lead to improved sleep quality. Regular practitioners often report falling asleep faster, waking up less during the night, and feeling more rested upon waking. Finally, let's not forget about the potential for reduced risk of certain health conditions. Studies have suggested that consistent practice of yoga and Tai Chi may lower the risk of heart disease and high blood pressure. They may also help in managing stress levels, which in turn can have a positive impact on overall health. With such compelling long-term benefits, it's clear why so many people make yoga and Tai Chi a regular part of their lives. In summary, the benefits of practicing yoga or Tai Chi are numerous. They offer a comprehensive package of physical, mental, and long-term advantages that are too enticing to ignore. Physically, these practices can enhance strength, flexibility, and balance. They can help you age gracefully, maintaining your vigor and vitality. Mentally, yoga and Tai Chi are powerful stress busters. They can cultivate mindfulness, boost mood, and alleviate anxiety, providing a tranquil refuge in our often chaotic lives. They can be your personal sanctuary, a place where you can reset and recharge, ready to face the world anew. The long-term benefits are also substantial. Regular practice can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve sleep quality, and even promote healthier eating habits. They can become an integral part of your lifestyle, contributing to overall well-being and longevity. So why not give yoga or Tai Chi a try? You might be surprised by how much it can enhance your life.